Hello guys, myself Kritika from Cubiksoft Technologies. Today let's see about STAAD Pro. That is, a STAAD Pro is a structural analyzing programming designing software mainly for civil engineering. We can able to create the model and we can able to do the analysis based on the civil structures. That is, when we learn about the civil engineering, we'll be learning about design of RCC and design of DSS and all. So that RCC analysis and design part will be taken care by this kind of softwares. Okay. So this is the screen where we are going to work. So we are just going to create a new model, or if you're working on a new option, you can just go with the file new. So just give your file name. Yes, you can change your input units and all. And this is the working space where we have the menu bar, and as like they are all the softwares will be having the toolbars also. So for taking the toolbars, you have to just go to this view and you can just take the toolbar. You can just specify what are the toolbars is required and you can just give OK. And this is the menu bar where you'll be having file, open, save as all those options, and you can import and you can export the reports and all. And edit command is mainly used for taking the pictures and copying the pictures and all. And for viewing, you can able to view all the whole structural view and the tool views, everything can be done here. And this toolbar denotes the input unit and the output unit. That is what should be the input unit to be provided and what should be the output unit to require. And also the selection option. So you can able to select a beam node and a plate. Everything can be selected by using the selecting cursor. And this geometry indicates creating a model. And this command, there are two commands mainly meant for doing the analysis. That is analysis, perform analysis, and post analysis, print analysis result. And then go with analysis and run analysis. You'll just get the model output with shear force and bending moments diagram. So previously we have done more modules like this. So let me create and show you a simple beam model with a point load, so that how to get the shear force and bending moment diagrams, all those things. So let's start. So this is a beam. So I'm just giving a file name as beam. I'm just going to create two nodes. So let me create, since it's a 1D model, I'm just creating a node in the X direction with a spacing of 10 meters. And by using the beam cursor, I'm just adding a beam to it. And just I have to provide the properties and supports. Again, I'm just going to my property box and providing the properties. So select your beam and just apply your property. And then as your supports, we have to create the support. Just select your ends and provide the support. Then we have to provide the load values. That is, we have to define the load. So let me give a point load condition. Gravity towards downward, so it's dy. So I've assigned a point load at a spacing of 3 meters. So I'm just giving my commands for doing the analysis. So you have to give analysis and run. So I didn't get any errors. So I'm just going with my post-processing mode and I'm just selecting my load value. So where I can able to now, it's every all my result screen has got activated, where I can able to see the shear force bending moments diagram from my module. I can do the scaling options. And even I can able to view the values. Just go to the results, maximum, minimum, and also in the midpoints. So this is how we create a simple beam with a point load in the STAAD Pro. Even for further modules, we can able to create with the UDL, with the trapezoidal loading, all those things can be done for a simple beam. And we can able to provide the frame structures, building modules, water tanks, all those things can be done. So if you are interested in doing your STAAD Pro, you can just directly approach us and you can join the classes. So it will be useful for your upcoming careers where you can develop your structural knowledge. Thank you.